very scratchy. Water. I need water. Hold on.
Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale haul. I have not done a haul in a while because my wallet's empty, and I do always plan on picking up a few things at the semi-annual sale from Victoria's Secret. It's really the only time I go in there or shop online anymore, you know? So if you want to know what I found, I got some sportswear, I got some bodysuits, woo, and I got some other stuff. So we will get into the video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload at least 3 times a week, and I would love to have you guys be part of my little family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's first start out with some sports bras. If you do not know, I am a trainer and I always love activewear in general. So I found some cute stuff. I think everything I found was from the pink collection, but all their bras were $15, or at least all the ones I got. So this one is probably my favorite. I'm actually wearing one of the sports bras now. Ooh. I don't want to show you too much, too close. We don't know each other that well yet. But I also got this one, which was really cute. But yeah, they're all 15 bucks. They aren't the most supportive things, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna go sprinting or running or anything like that, but they're still like enough to where I could still wear these at the gym without a shirt on and feel comfortable. I just weightlift in them. And then, or if you wanna just put a cute tank top, you know, you'll still see the little details through it. So I thought that was really cute and a really good deal. As far as bodysuits go, I got a lot. So let's start off with this really pretty sparkly one. So for some reason in store, they have a lot of these if you go in the store, but online it's still a normal price. I don't know why. So in store this was $39, but online it's still like $65. I would obviously just pair this with jeans like I did in the video, or like jean shorts or something like that. But it's a cute like night out date top. I think it's really pretty. The color kind of changes and sparkles, and it's a very cute girly bodysuit. All the bodysuits are thong shaped. I love the back of this one because it has that corset detail, and you can kind of tighten it. Your girls they're secure, so that's good. And you don't have to wear a bra. My favorite. Who likes to wear bras? Nobody. I hate it. I thought that would be something really exciting when I got my boobs done, that I was like, I'm never gonna have to wear a bra. No, I have to wear a bra all the time. I have to wear a bra to sleep in. They didn't tell me that before I got it, you know? So anyways. So Victoria's Secret, I feel like used to have really great quality stuff, and now they've kind of just gone downhill. And since they don't sell their bathing suits, that just pisses me off. So I don't go in the store half as much as I used to. So in the video, I tried on this one in black. And it's a long sleeve bodysuit that's velvet. I don't think I'm gonna keep the pink one. I think I'm gonna keep that black one, but I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys thought of it. It's like, I think it's cute, but then I'm also like, would I wear it? I don't know. It kind of gives me like little kid vibes, only because the velvet, I'm just not used to wearing velvet pieces, I guess, or velvet details. But the fit was really nice. I got an extra small pretty much in everything, or a 32C and everything. So These were cute. They were about 20 bucks. They're $19.99. I think online they're 24. But they are good quality. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep them. This one is probably my favorite, or second favorite. This sparkly bodysuit right here. Here, I just love the mesh. It's super lightweight too, which obviously means don't get caught in anything or else it will be ruined. So be careful, all I'm saying. Which that's gonna happen to me for sure. I don't know, I'm gonna get, it just happens. But I thought it looked okay with just a nude bra, and I could wear it in summer because it is so light. So this one I really liked, and I got this in a size small. Now then, these ones were my favorite. If you, I got three. Guys, I got black, I got white, and I got the peach color. So let me know which one's your favorite. I don't think I'll keep all three. I think I'll keep two, maybe three. But what I loved about these is a lot of the times when you buy bodysuits from like normal stores, like you guys know I love Meshki, you know I like White Fox Boutique, like all those stores, they don't have that built-in bra part. So you have to like wear the nipple like cover-ups, you know. So I love that this has the built-in part and you don't have to do anything. I would have loved to have gone up to a 34C. I think that would have fit my boobs a little bit better. But the you know, this part, it was too big. Like it just kind of wrinkled and I didn't like that. So I'll be fine. I'll lose some weight eventually, like when I don't feel like lifting as much, but for the time being, whatever, it's fine. I just tuck them in, you know, pull them and tuck them and tape them. So I like these just because I don't have to worry about the whole cover-up situation, and I think that they are cute to the point where you can wear them in the daytime. They're not like so lingerie-ish where like it's just not acceptable. So I think they looked good with jeans. I think they look good with high-waisted shorts. I think this is totally a daytime appropriate like type tank top. And again, they have the snap enclosures at the bottom, and same with the black. It kind of has like that nude bra thing in there, but I think, yeah, with skirts, with anything, these are like a staple piece in your wardrobe. And I believe they're $34.99. In store, I think it was like $39. But at first I was like, this, no way, this looks like a granny thing. I don't like it. But then when I put it on, I was like, I need all three colors. So other than that, of course, I got some panties, and I think I got like one bra. I never wear a normal bra, like ever. I'm always like trying to find something seamless and wireless and just comfortable. So anyways, that was the stuff I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul. I hope that you found it useful. I know shopping online can be a little bit difficult, but like I said, I got most of this stuff online except for like the sequin bodysuit. And one of the great things about Victoria's Secret is they have a really good return policy, so that's why I felt comfortable ordering what I ordered, because I know I have like 90 days to take it back. So in case I decide to change my mind, like the velvet bodysuit is the one thing I'm like, I don't know about that. But let me know what your favorite piece was, if you guys picked anything up from the sale. I think usually they go and like a few weeks after the sale, they'll do like an extra 20% off. So just keep an eye out if you liked any of these items. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Most important part when it comes to sports bras. So I would say light, like I'll use these on lifting days. I don't need, you know, I don't need to be bouncing around everywhere. So, but for 15 bucks, yes, yes. But yeah, test out how much you can move. You know, because I don't want to rip like an armpit. But, you know, it's a little tight. But it's okay. It's movable. I can handle this. Not bad. Not bad at all. I act like I go out and move around a lot. I don't. I don't know why. This is important to me. I eat. This is what I do when I go out, but, you know, whatever. I am